JNJ Heating and Air Conditioning is your source for local heating and cooling services in Elgin, South Elgin, St. Charles, and surrounding areas. Our NATE certified technicians offer furnace and air conditioning repair, maintenance, and installation service, including 24/7 emergency repair at no extra charge. We're proud to be a Bryant Factory-Authorized Dealer, and we provide free in-home estimates for new systems. If you need heating or air conditioning service, trust J&J to get the job done right. Give us a call today or visit our website to see our current specials.